Your boat is ready to leave now.
Gee, at night.
Wow.
Great.
You'll be on a boat heading for Christmas Island.
Wow.
The Australians wind their way to the tiny port of Chillichup.
Are you kidding?
Scores of boats laden with asylum seekers set sail from ports like this every year. Only the oldest and cheapest boats are sent on this one-way journey.
We don't know how long we're going to be in there, and not all of us have been feeling great in the tummy department.
This is where the Khans plan to gamble their lives on a boat journey to freedom. Now the Australians are about to begin the 500-kilometre exodus to Christmas Island. They leave under cover of darkness